Hi, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Coley Kelson. Are you struggling as a beginner in content creation to start and settle? Don't worry. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 3 best apps that will help you to make your work easier and faster. Number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a very helpful AI app for content creators, especially beginners. It makes your work simplified and very easier for you. All you need to do is install the app ChatGPT and then start using it. It makes everything so easy for you. For instance, if you don't know how to plan a video script, just go into ChatGPT, type in whatever you want your video script to be like, and it will design it perfectly for you. Anything you want to find out about content creation, just go there and then type the question in ChatGPT, and then it will give you so many answers to read. So ChatGPT is one of the best apps that can help beginners in content creation so that their work will be faster and much easier. Even thumbnails. Just go and type in the video idea and then ask ChatGPT to design a sample thumbnail for you with the right colors, and then it will do it for you, and you can even download it, or you go to Canva and then design the same thing for your YouTube video. So ChatGPT is really an awesome app that can help beginner content creators so that your work will be much easier and faster. If you lack video ideas, maybe you've started with your channel, you've created 2 or 3 videos, and then you are stranded, just go into ChatGPT, type in your niche, and ask ChatGPT to give you some video ideas, and then it will design it perfectly for you to use for your videos in your channel. App number 2, Canva. Canva is a very helpful app that could really help beginner content creators to make their work easier. You can use to design things like your YouTube channel banner, your channel intro, your YouTube video thumbnails, and many more. Even editing pictures or photos for the thumbnails. So Canva is also one of the best apps that can really help beginners in content creation to make their work easier and faster. Now let's look at how you can use Canva to design some of the things for your channel. For instance, your YouTube channel banner. All you need to do is go open the Canva app on your phone. That is if you have already downloaded it. If you have not downloaded it, just go to Google Play Store, search for Canva and install it. Then open your Canva app and type in the search button YouTube channel banner. A number of templates will appear for you. You can select one of those templates and do the editing to suit your channel, or you create a new design for your channel specifically. Also, you can use the Canva to design a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Let's also look at how you can do that. Open your Canva app, type in YouTube thumbnails. A number of templates will also appear. You can select one to edit and suit your video, or you create a new design to suit your likeness. So that is also one of the best apps that can actually help beginners in content creation to make their work easier and move faster. Canva. Now to the last app number 3, CapCut. CapCut is a video editing app that can actually help beginner content creators in YouTube to edit their videos like professionals. Now, CapCut has the free version and the premium or the pro version. For the free version, some of the features will not work for you actually. So if you can subscribe for the pro version all the features will be available. For instance, the watermark remover, it is not functional in the free version. And also the auto caption function, it is not working in the free version unless the pro version. But then, if you cannot subscribe for the pro version, I actually advise beginner content creators to go in for this awesome video editing app called CapCut. CapCut is actually very, very good for beginner content creators in video editing. Thank you once again for your time with me today.